his word, that big bum certainly can jump.
Next, the bear goes down to where Whittier Creek is dribbling drowsily by. He grabs the whole creek by its bank and with one wicked snap, snaps it like a bedspread. This snaps Sally Snip's sister, the martin, clear out of her mud burrow, boudoir, and toenail polish, and lands on her hard in the empty creek bed along with stunned mud puppies and minnows. Sally? Are you here, Sally?
Oh. You backwoods bully! You ridge-running rowdy! What are you doing down out of your ridges ripping up our rivers? This ain't your play puddle!
Why, ma'am, I'm big trouble. And any puddle I'm pleased to play in is mine. I eat the ridges raw and the backwoods bold. I eat the woodchuck and I ate the rabbit. And now I'm going to eat you up.
I'll run.
I can run too.
I'll jump.
I can jump too.
I'll climb.
I can climb too.
Off he shoots like a bullet out of a pistol, but right after her booms the bear like a meteor out of a cannon. Sally springs out of the creek bed like a silver salmon jumping. The bear jumps after her like a flying shark. She catches the trunk of the cottonwood and climbs like an electric yo-yo whizzing up a wire. But the bear climbs after her like a jet-propelled elevator and overtakes her and snags her up and swallows her down. Teeth, toenails, and teetotal.
Yes, sir, Bob. You sure as shooting can climb.
Who are you?
I'm Tricker the Squirrel, and I saw it all. And there's just no two ways about it. I'm impressed. You sure have been a little shortchanged in the thinking department, but when it comes to running, jumping, and climbing, you got double portions.
And eat!
I know. The ridge is raw and the hill's whole. I heard it all.
And eat!
Going to eat me up. I know. But first, I'm gonna run, right?
And I'm gonna run too.
Then I'm gonna jump.
And I'm gonna jump too.
And then I'm gonna drink some buttermilk.
And I'm gonna drink buttermilk too.
And then I'm gonna climb. And then I'm gonna fly.
Well then.
This bamboozles the bear, and for a second he furrows his big brow. But everybody, even short-changed grizzly bears named Big Double, know red squirrels can't fly. Not even red squirrels named Tricker.
Well then. When you fly, I'll fly too.
We'll see about that.
Oh!
He makes a nab, but Tricker is out the hole and streaking down the tree trunk like a bolt of greased lightning, and the bear thundering behind him. Meaner and madder than ever, Tricker streaks across the bottom toward the Topple farm with the bear storming right on his tail. When he reaches the milk house where Farmer Topple cools his dairy products, he jumps right through the window. The bear jumps right through after him. Tricker hops up on the edge of a gallon crock and begins to guzzle up the cool, thick buttermilk like he hadn't had a sip of liquid for a month. The bear knocks him aside and picks up the whole crock and sucks it down like he was on a 7-year drought.
I'm Big Double, and I eat the high hills.
I know. Let's skip the roaring and get right to the next part. After I run and jump and drink buttermilk, I climb.
I climb too.
And I fly.
And I'll fly too.
So back out of the milk house jumps Tricker, and off he goes, dusting back toward his cottonwood like a baby dust devil, with the bear huffing right at his heels like a full-blown tornado. And up the tree he scorches like a house afire, with the bear right on his tail like a volcano. Higher and higher climbs Tricker, with the bear's hot breath huffing hotter and closer and closer and higher, till there's barely any tree left. Then out into the fine fall air, Tricker springs like a little red leaf right on the wind. And before the bear thinks better of it, out he springs himself like a 10-ton milk tanker over the edge of a straight down cliff.
I forgot to mention, I can also trick.
Ah!
All the way down he splatters on his hillside like a ripe melon. When the dust and debris clear back, Sally's stepsister wriggles up from the wrecked remains.
I'm out! I'm out!
Anybody else out?
I'm pooped out. And I was never in to get out.
And everybody laughs. And the hazelnuts got more and more perfect, and the buttermilk just rolled down the hill.